Archipelago Lighting introduces an all-new way to brighten your home, Plug-N-Go Landscape Lighting. Installation has never been easier, taking as little as half the time of other options. The lighting fixtures are pre-wired, making installation easy, safe, and quick. You won't even need tools. Simply connect the plug-and-go connector ends together, and you're done. And when it's time to connect your lights to a power source, just plug the transformer into any wall outlet. That's it. Choose from a variety of high-quality metal fixtures with modern, upscale designs. Each style features the latest in LED bulb technology, rated at a 22-year lifetime. Easy, safe, and quick. The new Plug-N-Go Landscape series from Archipelago Lighting.